Hi everybody, this is Hermit Wang, and now it's almost late of the autumn. I'm a New York tour guide. Many of my friends, they ask me in this season where we can go and just enjoy their holidays. After all, due to the coronavirus, many people be blocked in their house. They lose the many chances to go outside with their families, their friends. And now they just want to go somewhere for enjoy their days. So I suggest Skyline Princess Cruise Tour may be a good choice for all of us. And that's why I want to share this videotape with all of you. I was just go their location last week. This is a place near the LaGuardia Airport. It is a pretty cool cruise, and the weather is very good. You can take a look. And this season, you can, just carry your families, your friends, all you together can just join this cruise and just enjoy your days. And let's take a look what's inside and how beautiful this cruise it will be. Let's keep going, and we will be going inside it in a few minutes. And you see the weather there is very good. The atmosphere is very excellent. And take a look at the harbors is very nice. The gentleman already go outside. He's the manager of the cruise. They are just welcome all of the visitors, just pay them a visit the last week. It is a very good tour, yeah, and it's very good kind of the experience. And we will keep going. Yeah, it's a pretty big cruise, and I'm talking to their manager. This their first floor, that's a cafeteria. It's looking pretty good. Many of the other, the GANYC tour guide member or the cast or the guest, he just invite that day, just coming and enjoy their life. Yeah, it's a very good, experience. Take a look, those breakfasts, very excellent. Several kinds of the cookies, breads, they are pretty good. Yeah. And this is how it look like from the head of the ship. It have 3 floors and it is a very comfortable cruise. I know some of my friends boats, they are just parking here too, in this harbor, It's not very cold and it is a very good, time for just travel. They have several lines you can choices and they have the different kind of the destiny for the different organizations for the family parties, graduation parties, for some special organizations activities. They have several lines. They have several stops in Jersey, in the New York, and even in the New Haven. So you can make your choice. And from the 3rd floor at the top, you can just making the DJ, you can just invite your friends coming here, have a bar time in the night, with the DJ music and everybody just enjoy themselves, Maybe stuck in our home for quite a long time. Man, this is it's a chance for you get out and just enjoy your life. We should not be just lock ourselves in our home. Whatever our home is big or small in the size, we need to go outside, enjoy the nature, and just with the food and the music and the wonderful, the weathers. And the Skyline Cruise is the pretty good choices for all of you who love to travel. You see the atmosphere is excellent, you see. They have a pretty big space for everybody. You can just do the participation, dancing, singing, DJ, everything. All right, now we just come into the captain's house. Captain's, the room. Let's see how the commander stations look like. Wow, it's really cool here. See the chair for the commander. You may have a chance to just, remain here and command the whole ship. Yes, sir. Roger that, This is a pretty cool, man. Thinking about the way just to travel to the Long Island, in the sea, you come in here and vary the cab of the captain, and that's a pretty good thing, We already have a lot of customers coming that day, and because the time for I just took this video is almost the lunchtime, so everybody just go to the fourth floor for their lunch, and sooner we will go to the fourth floor and take a look how's the lunch will be, look and test like, Yeah, we are near the, LaGuardia airport. So, the atmosphere is very peace and wonderful. Hey, see the bird just flying through here. There are many of them, Yeah, see, it's just come back. Wow. Oh, very wonderful. See, it is just flying beside us. Yeah, this is a very good season now for, just taking a cruise for travel. See, it's coming back again, come back and forth. And there's a big bird coming. That's an airplane, that's a jet. Yeah, it's almost the lunchtime. Everybody now is at the fourth floor and waiting for the lunch coming. Some of our friends and members just talking about their business and introduce to each other, because the New York tourism market is almost open step by step. All the tour guide, the restaurant manager, hotel manager, everybody in this career, we just gather together and discuss what we can do to each other to help each other's careers by their commercial activities. So today, many people come here and talking about the business. Somebody just standing for the hotel, somebody standing for their company like me. I just come in here and want to just discuss with the price about the student programs I just discussed with my friend. So you see many people like talking here. Wow, this is a very important time for we take a look at our lunch. This is almost lunchtime, man, and let's see what we are going to have today. Very typical, very fancy lunch, very healthy. Wow, I got my part. We got the pork, we have the beef. Yes, sir, we got everything, the bread, very fancy. Oh, the wonderful cake, so lovely. Let's take what's the details. Salad, pretty good. Potatoes, pepperonis, pork chopped, beef, of course, very wonderful. See, how's everything? Everything's very good. Take a look. Yeah, man, I'm going to take my parts. I will take a gap of those fancy cake too. They're looking very good. All right, that's all for today's, our video tape. This is Hermit Wang, and I'm glad someday we can meet each other on the SKYLINE Cruises cruise. And I'm glad to be your tour guide for just enjoy and share a wonderful time with everybody. Okay, let's see each other the next time. Thanks for just watching my video tape.